Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a Charles Schwab account, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started with one of the most trusted brokerage platforms. Step 1. Visit the Charles Schwab website at schwab.com and click on Open an Account in the top navigation menu. Step 2. Select the account type you want to open. Options include individual brokerage, IRA, joint account, or other specialized accounts based on your needs. Step 3. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, including full name, date of birth, social security number, employment details, and contact information. Step 4. Provide your financial information, such as annual income, net worth, investment experience, and risk tolerance. This helps Schwab understand your investment profile. Step 5. Review and accept the account agreements and disclosures. Make sure to read the terms carefully before proceeding. Step 6. Fund your account by linking your bank account, transferring assets from another brokerage, or mailing a check. Electronic transfers are typically the fastest method. Step 7. Verify your identity by uploading required documents if requested, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 8. Submit your application and wait for approval, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. You'll receive a confirmation email with your account details once approved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.